Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on the settings gear icon from the top right. Select Personal and Account Information. Go to Contact Info. Here you will see your phone number. To change this number, first you need to remove it. Now tap on the number. Tap on Remove. Check the box. Then tap on Remove Number. Enter your Facebook password for security reason. And then tap on Remove Phone. Now tap on Add Phone Number. Enter your new phone number. Then tap on Continue. A confirmation code will be sent to your new phone number. Enter it in the text box. And then tap Confirm. Your phone number has been added to your account. Tap on Close. And you will see your newly added phone number here.